Hi, this is Haynes Broon car, model number F830. I'm gonna tuning the front wheel with the remote control. First one, you press the button for the lock button. Then later you're gonna press simultaneously number 1 and 5 together. And later you could change the button number. You see number 5. You change the numbers. Okay. Keep going, then go to minus sign. If we keep going, okay. This case -4. This one before +4, but I'm trying to setting to -4. Then we're gonna see what is going on. We're gonna simultaneously press 1 and 5 to save the button, and we'll press the lock button again. Then they are linked. Then you see that they are turning the right side. So that means you should adjust it more, left side more. So we're trying to figure it out from -4 to up to maybe -1. We're gonna try. Let me press the button, lock button again. Okay, and simultaneously press the button 1 and 5. Okay, then we're gonna move it to the button number 3, 2, maybe 1. Okay, -1 we're gonna try, and together simultaneously. Okay, and press lock button again. Oh, see, but still we should more left side. So better than before, but we should fix it again more. Make a left turn. So we try to +1. Okay. Now it's a -1 station. We're gonna make a +1. We're gonna try one more time. Press the button 1 and 5. Then we're gonna move to the -1 now. You see the minus sign and plus sign. This is minus sign. It's just number 1. We're gonna try to move to plus sign. We see that we're gonna make +1. Then we're gonna save it and press the lock button again. Oh, see, you see the adjusted, then make it straight. Okay, so this is the way how to do. Thank you for your watching.